Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. These are for your relationship, guys. And I'll be picking three more cards for your career situation, guys. Gemini. And one card from the wisdom oracle, guys, so that may answer some questions you have in your situation. So I will leave it here, guys, Gemini. So we will see what it is after the reading, so that may answer some doubts or confusions you have in your mind. So let's start with the general reading. So we have Five of Cups in reverse, Empress, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, you have happiness, that contentment, emotional satisfaction, maybe, and you are having that what to say, a very positive energy, guys, with these cards. That is what I see. So in your career or in your personal life, you are happy, you are what to say, happy for someone or for yourself, for this love. Maybe your person is about to have a child, or you are having a child, something giving you happiness, and you feel that satisfaction and contentment, guys, because you are happy for this person you love. You are starting a family, or you are having a child, so something giving you happiness, and you are having that balance and harmony in your life today. And maybe the balance between your work and your personal life, or perfect balance in your life. Your financial status is good, and you're doing really well in your relationship. You have a beautiful understanding with this person. So that may be the reason that things are going in a very positive way for you all, guys, Gemini, and things are moving in towards a positive progress in your life today, in your situation today, guys. And you are someone who is really, what to say, understanding, caring, and you both share that mutual love, understanding, guys. And today there is some kind of a news also coming to you, guys. So maybe someone is coming back. They are coming to see you after a long time, guys. And this may be your friend or a family member, a sibling, someone who you love a lot, with whom you would have had a beautiful relationship. Maybe it may be for some of you your past person. Maybe if you are in separation, this may be your past person coming back to visit you, guys. And you are simply happy. You feel you are really, you never expected this to happen, but that is what is happening today, guys, Gemini. So they are coming back to see you today. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We will see what are these cards, guys. So we have the World, Two of Pentacles, and Page of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Gemini, maybe for some of you, you are still deciding on certain things. Maybe you are making some important decisions today. You don't know which way to go. Some kind of maybe for some of you, you may be in a relationship with someone and your past person is coming back. So, and they want you back. So, some kind of confusions or doubts or something which you are unprepared for is happening today in your life, guys, in this relationship, and you feel stuck, unable to make a proper decision today, guys. And you have, but you have that clarity, guys, Gemini. You know the truth that is in your heart, what relationship will work for you. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We have 8 of Swords, High Priestess in reverse, and 8 of Cups. So in your career situation, guys, Gemini, for you all, maybe on certain things you do not have clarity in your work. It may be some when you're making some work related decisions or some choices, certain things are not clear, giving you confusion or doubts, and you don't know which way to go. You feel some kind of stuck energy is there in your situation, guys, unable to decide, make the right move today. And maybe for some of you, you are focused on something else. You may have some distractions, guys, Gemini, something distracting you, affecting the way of your work. So that is what I see, Gemini, with these cards. Let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have breathe. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe if you are in the verge of making some important decisions for yourself in your career or in your personal life, no matter what it is, guys, this may not be the time. This is the time to just breathe and relax. Enjoy how things are going today, having that patience, and you need to wait, take it slowly today, guys. So patience is what is needed today in your situation. Let it be in your career situation or in your relationship. You just need to take a deep breath and relax and enjoy, see what is going on, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Gemini. That is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.